Wow, che bello. Grazie. So guys, my name is Zitra. Guys, I'll be taking this tray, cream, shampoo, bars, and this is the oil. I'll be taking the oil also. Because of the music, I don't want to say much. So I'm in Emezeta. I want to start using these products because since in Emezeta they have it all the time. So I'll be using it. Let me change. So that is it. Sugar. I'll be buying this box for baby Alex. First time baby Alex traveling in aeroplane. So I'll be having one for him. Guys, frying egg for baby Alex. Oops. Adesso non mi riesco a prendere. So guys, that is it for baby Ella's breakfast. So here I have my crunchy meat pie. Wow. So guys, let me show you my guys, see how crunchy it at the back. Pieces for you, my new customer. This one is for Nigerian market. I got the wrong one. So guys, Chuduma is coming back. Can you see? From Amare. School vacation. See, baby Alice is waiting. Now say hello. Hello. Can you see? Aquí sale. Fosse questo. Is Annabelle is here? I think yes. Vediamo. They have three boss. I think eccola Annabelle! Dai, Alice, dai, c'è Annabelle! You're tired? Bien. So guys, good morning guys. This is Saturday morning, so I'm at work. So this is for Joseph. So that is it for today. On Sunday, on Sunday is my free day. Sunday, I'm not working on Sunday, so I'll be using this for this. Indietta Giuseppe, quindi lui mangia sempre così ogni giorno. You know, I have to condition it with this soya, fagioli, soya. So that is it. Continue watching. I'm at work. Guys, I'm done cooking. So we'll go and bath now. Tina, andiamo a fare il bagno. So we'll go and bath now. Guys, I'm done bathing my madam. Everywhere is clean. So that's it. Everywhere is clean. Her room, So that is it. Right now, my madam is making coffee. So let's go and take coffee before going. Cook it. Right. So guys, I'm making urgent meat pie. Oh, mama dear, it's not easy, guys. So guys, this is urgent work that I said that this is urgent work, so I just received urgent work. I'll be making 30 pieces. So that is it. Okay guys, so my urgent meat pie is ready. Can you see? So let me open one. Can you see? So I use my big cutter and the goat break. Can you see how crunchy and juicy? Crunchy or nothing.